news that's coming in at the moment. It is the NCW that has uncovered a lot of lapses that took place at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata. There were lapses in security, lapses in infrastructure, and also the probe that was done by the state government. All these things are being questioned by the NCW, that is the National Commission for Women. Lapse 1 was inadequate security at the premise. Lapse 2, hospital lacks basic facilities. Lapse 3, no adequate safety for female doctors and nurses. The NCW report also points at evidence tampering. So at the moment, it is the National Commission for Women. A team of National Commission of Women had in fact visited the hospital, spoke with the students staying there, and also spoke with the victim's family. With regards to this, a very detailed report has now come to the fore. My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, very glaring lapses coming to the fore, majorly 3 lapses, and these lapses are pointing towards the fact that there was no adequate security for female doctors and nurses.
Right, Aishwarya, the NCW team had visited the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, where that horrendous instance of rape and murder had happened. And now the report has also come out. Primarily the NCW is pointing out at 5 lapses, in which 3 needs to be underlined out here. The point that there was inadequate security. The NCW is also speaking about incomplete investigation, and that is in regards that the NCW team feels that the former principal was not adequately, questioned in this particular case, and he was made to resign before that. And along with that, what is more important to underline out here is that NCW is pointing out at evidence tampering. They're saying that the site where the body of the deceased, the victim, was found, that particular area has gone under renovation, and this could have actually led to potential evidence tampering. Now, this particular angle, Aishwarya, is something which might create a tussle between the Kolkata police and the NCW, because the Kolkata police has been maintaining that no one has touched the area where that heinous crime had happened, and on the other side, the NCW is indicating at possible evidence tampering, accusing that renovation work was carried out there. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us all those details. It is the NCW, that is the National Commission for Women. A very detailed report by the NCW is now proving towards lapses in security at the hospital. Now, doctors have upped the ante and are protesting at various places across the country with regards to the horrific rape and murder case that has come to the fore in the city of Kolkata. All hospital services across the country, except for the emergency care, will be shut today. Doctors are escalating their demand for justice for Abhaya. In fact, the Indian Medical Association has announced massive strike for the next 24 hours. All outpatient services and treatment in government and private hospitals will be cancelled. Only elective surgeries, that will be done. Some of the surgeries have been postponed. Emergency services, however, will stay open. On the other side, it is the CBI, which is also probing this entire case. In fact, RG Medical Hospital's former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, is being grilled by the CBI today. He was the one who blamed it on the victim and linked her death to psychosis. A new video of 15th of August, when the vandalism took place, has now surfaced on the internet. In the video, one can very clearly listen to the vandals. They are saying that first they will vandalize the emergency ward, and then they say that they will move on to the seminar hall. In fact, the Police Commissioner of Kolkata, Vineet Goyal, has accepted that it was indeed a failure on their part that they were not able to stop the vandalism. They also claimed that the crowd was leaderless. They had deployed enough officials on the ground, but they could not assess the entire situation, and their assessment, in fact, was wrong in this case.
मेरा लड़की ड्यूटी में गया था 8:10 से घर से निकले उसको ओपीडी था हॉस्पिटल में ओपीडी करके रात डाउन देना पड़ता है वो 5-6 बज जाता है काम करने के लिए 5 बजे माँ के साथ बात हुआ था फिर 11:15 का टाइम में भी माँ से बात हुआ था वो बोला हम लोगों का 4 आदमी का खाना आया है हम लोग खाना खा रहा है आप लोग खाना खा के सो जाइए तो ऐसे ही बात होता था सुबह में हम घर में नहीं थे हम काम में था लड़की मेरा माँ को उठकर माँ को फोन किया था माँ बार फोन कर रहे थे फोन रिंग हो रहा था लेकिन कोई उस टाइम तो मेरा लड़की गुजर ही गया है हमको सबसे दिक्कत का प्रश्न यह है कि रात 3 बजे से सुबह 10 बजे तक किसी का जो ऑन ड्यूटी डॉक्टर है उसका किसी को जरूरत नहीं पड़ा। यही एक हमारा सस्टेन आ गया मन में। उसका दिक्कत था कॉलेज में पूरा डिपार्टमेंट, इसलिए डिपार्टमेंट को हम बोला है, डिपार्टमेंट पूरा सस्पेक्ट में है। हम क्या बोला, 7 घंटे से लड़की का ऑन ड्यूटी ऑन कॉल में डॉक्टर है, उसको 7 घंटा में किसी का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा। कभी कभी दिन में ऐसा होता है कि उसको खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है। जो रास्ते में जितना आदमी है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की समान है। हमको लगता है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की बन गया। अभी हमारा एक लड़की चला गया, इतना करोड़ लड़का लड़की मेरा साथ आ गया। यही मैं इसको, उसने मेरा हिम्मत बहुत बढ़ा दिया। हमको इसलिए लगता है कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा हमको।
दे रिक्लेम द नाइट्स हिसाबे प्रचुर लोग प्रचुर जगह लीडरलेस, इट वाज ए लीडरलेस क्राउड। आई थिंक एंटिसिपेटिंग कि श्याम बाजारे 5000 लोग आसबे या रूबीते 10,000 लोग आसबे या 8बीते एत लोग आसबे, गरियाते कत लोग आसबे। There are numerous number of places where large crowds had gathered, and since it is very very difficult to make an assessment, आरजी करे अतो लोग आसबे, यदि हमें आपनादेरके बोले दी कि normally when there are leaders, they themselves have an assessment how that kind of what kind of gathering they are expecting, and we make arrangement to match that or even bigger than that. আমাদের সাফিসিয়েন্ট ডিপ্লয়মেন্ট ছিল, ডিসি লেভেলে অফিসার ছিলেন ওখানে, ডিসি নর্থ পার্সোনালি প্রেজেন্ট ছিলেন ওখানে, আপনি নিজেও দেখতে পাচ্ছেন হাউ হি ইজ ট্রাইং টু ডিল উইথ দি ক্রাউড উইথ লট অফ পেশেন্স। উনি নিজের চেষ্টা করেছেন, ওনার সঙ্গে যা ফোর্স ছিল সমস্ত রকম চেষ্টা করেছেন। ইয়েস, ডিসপাইট দ্যাট the barricade was breached and people got into this, vandalized the place.
Now, it has been more than 24 hours since rampage broke out at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, and now investigations are intensifying. There is immense pressure on Mamata Banerjee government and even the Calcutta High Court to explain how the state machinery completely failed to stop the mob. Meanwhile, there is outrage that is increasing, and the doctors are very, very clear. Doctors across the country, in fact, want justice for Abhaya, and they are also saying that they want that they should be safe. Their safety is something that should be assured not just by the state government but even by the central government.
A rampage never seen before at Kolkata's RG Kar Hospital. 2 days after the midnight mob attack on the facility, the thugs behind this mayhem are being unmasked. 20 arrests have been made so far. The Kolkata police have only released the names of 3 accused.
But CBI, at this point of time, entire videography is available. Now, if they want to have certain clarification, etc., the video is also available. So there is absolutely no issue as far as transparency is concerned. I don't know what more procedure could have brought in further transparency. I am still not very sure.
In this video of the midnight mayhem released by the Bengal CID, the mob is seen breaking police barricades, clashing with the cops to storm the hospital wing before unleashing a streak of vandalism. The Calcutta High Court minced no words in its criticism of the Mamata government and the state police over the rampage, questioning why the police were not prepared for the mob. The court said it is not believable that the police had no intelligence on a gathering of 7,000 people, stating that it is better to transfer patients out and shut the hospital instead. The court also raised this hospital renovation, questioning why the hospital authorities were in a hurry to renovate an area near the crime scene.
Now on the 14th itself, in the evening, the hospital authority started demolishing a particular wall which is near the crime scene area. Now we once again express our apprehension that evidence is being destroyed at the instance of the state.
The CBI will file a status report on this vandalism. While 4 doctors were grilled on what exactly happened the night of Abhaya's rape and murder. The agency also questioned the former principal of RG Kar Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh. Meanwhile, the fallout of this rampage continues. From the national capital,
after After the attack in the RG Kar hospital on Wednesday night, things have changed in the past 48 hours. The FODA resumed its protest. The IMA announced that it is going to withdraw all OPD services from Saturday 6 a.m. Till the end of Sunday as well.
That has still not come into action. It is an act for the protection of healthcare workers. We want CPA to come into action. We want a written assurance on that. And we want justice for the victim.
To Kerala and Andhra Pradesh.
These are doctors of the Trivandrum Medical College and also the Sri Chitra Tirunal Medical Institute and also the Regional Cancer Center. These are resident doctors, UG, PG and Dental College.
One of our demands is the Central Protection Act implementation. Second thing is that we want justice for the deceased. So we want the fight for that to be fast and to find the culprits as the earliest.
Doctors took to the streets in massive protests held across the country. The Juniors Doctors Network of the Indian Medical Association have called an indefinite strike now, which will impact patients and dent hospital emergency services, ward duties and on-call services. The heat is clearly mounting on the Mamata government. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, while the doctors across the country are out on the streets protesting against the horrific rape and murder case, there is politics that is also escalating with regards to the Kolkata rape case. It was none other than West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee who staged a mega protest march along with senior female leaders of the TMC and demanded capital punishment for the rapist. She went on to blame the Bharatiya Janata Party and the CPM workers for the vandalism that took place at the RG Kar Medical Hospital. She lashed out at the Saffron Party and asked them, did they send over a team to Manipur, to Hathras, even to Unnao? On the other side was Bharatiya Janata Party's leader Smriti Irani, who went all guns blazing against Bengal Chief Minister and asked her to stop doing your rape, my rape politics. She posed several questions to Mamata Banerjee and even claimed that the protesters were being attacked while the rapist was still roaming free in the state of West Bengal.
আমি জানি সিপিএম আর বিজেপি ভাঙচুরটা করেছে আরজি করে গিয়ে নাটক করেও যখন শেষ হয়নি রাত্রি 1টার সময় 12টার পরে সিপিএম এর ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ নিয়ে ভিডিওতে দেখা যাচ্ছে ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ আর বিজেপি নিয়েছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ সব জায়গায় পলিটিক্যাল কাজে ব্যবহার করা যায় না ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগের কোড আছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগকে মিসইউজ করেছে পানিশমেন্ট হওয়া উচিত এটা একটা ক্রিমিনাল অফেন্স
तेरा रेप मेरा रेप की पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करें ममता दी। क्या अब लड़की के बलात्कार के लिए उसके इंसाफ के लिए हिंदुस्तान की जनता तभी आवाज उठाएगी उस लड़की की और उस प्रदेश की पॉलिटिक्स को देखकर? और अगर ममता जी को लेफ्ट विंग से इतनी ही परेशानी है तो इंडिया अलायंस छोड़ दें। लेकिन प्रश्न उठता है कि मिचिल विरोध प्रदर्शन किसके खिलाफ किया? प्रदेश की होम मिनिस्टर ममता जी हैं। हेल्थ का चार्ज किसके पास है? मुख्यमंत्री कौन है? तो किसके खिलाफ वो प्रदर्शन कर रही थी? अपने खिलाफ। जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंकना बंद करें। जनता जो जवाब मांग रही है उन जवाबों को दें।
देखिए, ये बहुत शर्मनाक विषय है। आज केंद्रीय मंत्री जी को इस तरह से अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, वो भी किस लिए कि आज हमारे जो बहन को धर्षण करके मार दिया गया उनके लिए प्रतिवाद कर रहे हैं। लेकिन आज मुख्यमंत्री जो द्विचारिता कर रहे हैं और जो नाटक कर रही है, जो मुख्यमंत्री ये केस को दबाने का कोशिश किए, आज वही नाटक करके जब रास्ते में पदयात्रा कर रहे तब उनको कोई रुकावट नहीं, कुछ नहीं। तो ये पूरा जैसे जो डबल स्टैंडर्डनेस और जो हिपोक्रेसी चल रहे उनके पीछे कोई नहीं है, सिर्फ पुलिस और प्रशासन है। उसी को इस्तेमाल करके ममता बनर्जी ये कर रही है।